Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we will start new chapter, chapter 4, chemical bond. Okay, so these are the syllabus content. Okay, first I will explain about Lewis electron dot symbol, or called as Lewis structure. So it's important for draw the correct and determine molecular structure. Okay, for the Lewis electron dot symbol or Lewis structure, so it will consist chemical symbol of element, okay, and surrounded by dot representing the valence electron of the element. So for example, sodium, okay, the clue is if the group of atom or element if number 1, so it has 1 valence electron. Okay, if from 2, it has 2 valence electron. If the element from group 16, it has 6 valence electron. Okay, for example, sodium. Okay, if you don't know the sodium comes from group 1, so previously in chapter 3 you have learned electronic configuration. Okay, so you can determine the atom is come from what group. Okay, so for example, sodium has 11 for proton number. Okay, so the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay, so valence electron is the outermost electron located at the outermost shell. So the outer shell is n equals to 3 and the electron is 1. So you determine now sodium is group 1, so it has 1 valence electron. So write the symbol of sodium Na and 1 dot representing 1 valence electron. Okay, for carbon comes from group 4, it has 4 valence electron. Oxygen comes from group 16, it has 6 valence electrons. So just write the symbol and the dot, okay, representing the valence electron. Okay, next, Lewis structure for ion. Okay, so if neutral atom, it has 1 valence electron. When 1 valence electron from sodium is released or removed, so it will become sodium. Okay, no electron anymore. So for ion, you must do a bracket. Okay, now sodium atom become sodium ion. So for charge, it has +1. Okay, since 1 electron removed. Okay, for sodium ion. Okay, for chlorine, neutral atom, chlorine has 7 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, addition of 1 electron here, so will become ion. So chlorine become an ion. Okay, addition of 1 electron to chlorine, so it become an ion, -1. So you must draw a bracket, chlorine with all the valence electron, okay, and charge. Okay, so if negative means electron added. Okay, if plus means electron release or remove. Alright, so for plus cation, minus is anion. Okay, same goes to this compound. -1 means that 1 electron was added. Okay, next you can see the diagram here show the element with Lewis dot, and then the dot will represent the valence electron. So you can select from group 1, group 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the dot will represent valence electron. Okay. Okay, next, chemical bond. So chemical bond, the definition is strong attractive force that exists between atoms in a substance. Okay, so there are 4 types of chemical bond. First is ionic bond, next covalent bond, dative covalent bond, and metallic bond. Okay, for ionic bond, the definition is the electrostatic force that holds ions together in an ionic compound. Okay, for example, between magnesium and bromine. Okay, usually from 2 atoms, one of the atom is usually from metal, which has low ionization and energy. Okay, means that easily to release electron. Okay, another atom is comes from non-metal atom. So it has a tendency to attract the electron. Okay, for example, if bromine comes from group 17, okay, from group halogen, so it easily to attract electron. Okay, tendency to attract the electron. Okay, so this is the example between magnesium and chlorine. Okay, one atom usually from metal, tendency to release the electron. Okay, we look at the formation of ionic compound. So the formation of sodium chloride by using Lewis dot symbol. Okay, so you must show the valence electron. Okay, so sodium has 1 valence electron represented by 1 dot. Okay, with a chlorine atom has 7 valence electron. Okay, so for ionic compound, 1 atom will release and transfer the electron to atom that high attraction towards the electron. So to form the compound, okay, so since sodium has released 1 electron, it will become cation. Okay, sodium with bracket plus 1. Okay, since 1 electron has been removed, and the chlorine become an ion. Okay, chlorine minus 1, since chlorine accept or gain 1 electron. Okay, don't forget to put the bracket for anion and cation. Okay, so sodium chloride was formed. Okay, next for the formation of magnesium chloride. So magnesium chloride, 1 atom magnesium and 2 atom chlorine. So magnesium from group 2, it has 2 valence electron. Okay, chlorine from group 17, it has 7 valence electron. Right, so for magnesium, 2 dot representing 2 valence electron. Okay, chlorine 7, each has 7 dot. Okay, so to form ionic compound, from 1 atom magnesium, okay, transfer 1 valence electron to each atom of chlorine. Okay, for the first atom chlorine and the second atom chlorine. Okay, and then form ion. So since magnesium has released two electron to transfer towards two atom chlorine, so it will become magnesium 2 plus, okay, with a bracket. And the chlorine addition of one electron for each atom chlorine will form an ion, okay, chlorine minus 1. Each atom chlorine has gain one valence electron from magnesium. Okay, so for ionic compound, it involves electron transfer, okay, from metal to non-metal. Okay, for covalent bond, so covalent bond is the compounds that contain only covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond in which two or more electrons are shared by two atoms. Okay, for covalent bond, it involves electron share, okay, by two atoms. Okay, for example, ammonia. Okay, ammonia has one atom nitrogen and bonded to three atom hydrogen. Okay, so actually the bond, each bond means that there are two electrons, so one electron share from nitrogen and another one electron share from hydrogen. Okay, so each line, okay, or bond here share by nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Okay, this one example for water. Okay, electron share here and hydrogen fluoride. Okay, the formation of covalent bond. Okay, to form fluoride compound. Okay, so means that there are two atom fluorine. So fluorine comes from group 17, so it has 7 valence electron. Okay, so each fluorine atom has 7 valence electron. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, plus another fluorine atom, same, has 7 valence electron. Okay, so forming covalent compound of fluorine. Okay, so both atom fluorine share electron. Okay, so electron pair share between two fluorine atom. So one valence electron was shared from each fluorine atom. Okay, so it will form fluorine molecule. Okay, so for covalent compound, okay, by sharing the electron. Okay, so actually it will achieve octet. So each fluorine atom has 8 electron. Okay, this the example for formation of hydrogen bromide. Okay, you can look from hydrogen and bromine share electron. Okay, one electron from hydrogen, another one from bromine. Okay, same for this example. This one, each sulfur and hydrogen share electron to form covalent compound. Okay, so means that sulfur atom will share one electron for each hydrogen atom. Okay, for nitrogen, to form nitrogen molecule, so each nitrogen atom will share 3 electron. Okay, so it will form a bonding pair here. So one line representing 2 electron. Okay, each electron from each nitrogen atom. So it will form a triple bond.